Hello, Miss Mathematics. Welcome to Joe in Reddick Elementary. My name is Miss Lauren Harding, and I will be one of your fellow third grade teachers this year. I am so excited you have joined us. We have a bunch of great students this year, but it is critical we all work together and work hard because we have to get these kids prepared to take the notorious third grade end of year standardized assessments. It's their very first time being assessed in this manner, and we really just want to make sure that our students perform as well as possible. This video is just being created to highlight for you some of the things that I feel that you might need to be successful this year. Well, in third grade, we have a lot of great math and science concepts that will really lay the foundation for the rest of the students' academic careers as future mathematicians and scientists. The math concepts our students will learn this year are multiplication and division, properties of operations. This is actually the first year they will deal with fractions as well as part-to-whole relationships within shapes, as well as they'll deal with some time concepts and how to represent and measure time in minute intervals, and how to draw, picture, and bar graphs to scale. Some of the science concepts our students will learn this year are understanding forces in motion, the properties of matter, how energy is transferred, the components of the solar system, understanding the systems of the human body, and how plants survive. We are really looking forward to taking the grade to the University Farm in Greensboro's, North Carolina Agriculture and Technical State University has a university farm, and we will be taking a field trip there. The students will be able to take a horticulture tour, which relates to the essential standard of how plants grow and survive. We will also tie in both English and mathematics standards by having students write out a narrative of their experience on the field trip, as well as draw picture graphs of the various plants and animals that they see during the duration of the field trip. An easy model of a lesson plan format that you might want to adopt is the 5E model, which is basically engage and explore, explain, evaluate, and expand. For engage, that's where you want to hook the learner. Explore is when you want the students to interact with the activity. Explain is basically your time to do what you need to do to teach the material. And then when you evaluate, you are assessing the student for learning. And expanding, you are taking it to that next level. So how can you push them from where they're at to the very next phase? A great way to incorporate hands-on activities in the classroom is to have centers or stations, as many people call them, in the classroom, and each station or center will feature an activity related to the overall lesson. Right now, my class is learning about forces in motion, and a center I just finished designing features string, a balloon, tape, and a straw. And basically, the students are to figure out how to get the balloon to travel as long a distance as possible on the string and determine the factors that impact this. So, for example, if there's too much tape, the balloon might go slower. If they don't inflate the balloon enough, it might not travel as far a distance, things like that. If you would like to come visit my classroom to see my word wall and familiarize yourself with the content the students have learned this far in the year, you are more than welcome to do so. Some of the words are motion, forces, gravity, mass, liquids, solids, gases, properties, matter, and there's tons of other words. We have several, and you're more than welcome to just come and just see what it is that you can utilize for your benefit in planning or anything like that. And I really just hope this video was helpful for you. It was really brief. It was just a brief overview. I definitely struggled a bit my first year teaching, but it is a rewarding experience and you will quickly learn and get into the swing of things. Everyone here at Reddick Elementary is so helpful, and we are really a team that works together for the benefit of the students we serve. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm always available in room S112. I can't wait to meet you. And again, welcome to third grade!